Good evening, everybody. Dubs here from 643boxbreaks.com, and this is box break number 157, 12-13 limited. Buy it now. And here's your list of winning bidders. Here's our box of limited, but before we get to that, we're going to start things off by spinning our roulette wheel and seeing what team is going to get their team refunded. And that is going to be team number 13. So team number 13 on our bonus board is going to be the Boston Bruins. So congratulations to the Bruins and Crowalicious. You will be getting your team refunded a little bit later. Alright, here's our box of limited. And there's our serial number. NE191043275. So here we go. There's our pack, empty box. Okay. We got 8 board members in the back, so we'll just ignore that one for now. Alright, we'll just work our way down, start at the top. So we'll start off with Zach Parise for the Wild. Then we'll be heading to Piranha Guy Dan, and that one is numbered 62 out of 299. Behind that, for the Minnesota Wild, is another base card. It is Matt Cullen, and that one is numbered 167 out of 299. And behind that, for the Philadelphia Flyers, numbered 43 out of 99. This one will be heading to Peanut. It is an autographed Stanley Cup winners of Bill Barber. There's the autograph right there and my reflection. So it'll be to Philly and Peanut. Behind that, for the Detroit Red Wings, we got Henrik Zetterberg, numbered 75 out of 99. That'll be heading to Crow. 75 out of 99. Red swatch. And behind that, for the St. Louis Blues, that is Jaden Schwartz on card auto. And on the other side, for the Blues, Brendan Shanahan. Both on card autos, which is nice. And that one is numbered 16 out of 25. So that'll be heading to Beans. Nice hit there. And behind that, for the Detroit Red Wings, we got an Igor Larion of Stanley Cup winners. And that one is numbered 199 out of 199. Last run in the print. And last but not least, for the Winnipeg Jets, we got a board members of Andrew Ladd. Picked up a couple of assists tonight against the win on Vancouver. That one's numbered 57 out of 199. So that one will be heading to Piranha Guy Dan. And that is our box of limited. Hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. Congrats to everybody who got the hits, and I hope to see you again next time.